Most founders do not fail because they built the wrong product. They fail because they validated the wrong thing. The real mistake is chasing compliments, opinions, and noise instead of testing real behavior. This reframes the problem instantly and hooks a broad founder audience by exposing the hidden cause of early failure. MVP does not equal validation, and validation does not equal learning. Shipping something small only proves you can ship, not that anyone cares. Validation comes from real user behavior, and learning comes from understanding why that behavior happened. Without those signals, an MVP is just output, not evidence. Real problem-solution fit means pain intensity, frequency, and the bad workarounds people already use. It is about how much the problem hurts, how often it shows up, and how messy the current fixes are. UI quality is irrelevant. Problem-solution fit measures the reality of the problem, not the polish of your product. MVPs lie because opinion bias, politeness, and founder filtering distort the signal. Friends say yes to be supportive, not because they will use the product. Early testers often give encouragement instead of truth, and founders hear what they want to hear. None of that reflects real demand or real behavior. A signal hierarchy runs from weak to strong, and the difference is always cost and commitment. Weak signals are free opinions and encouragement. Strong signals require users to spend time, money, or effort. The more they sacrifice to move forward, the clearer the demand and the stronger the evidence you can trust. Concrete signals come from things like fake doors that test real clicks, pre-orders that test willingness to pay, manual workflows that prove users will endure friction, and paid pilots that show true commitment. Each example forces a user to spend time, money, or effort, giving you evidence you can trust. Pattern recognition comes from observing behavior over a sustained period. One-off wins feel exciting, but they're unreliable because anyone can show up once. What matters is what people do repeatedly. When a user keeps returning, keeps paying, keeps asking, or keeps rebuilding their own workaround, that consistency reveals real demand. Look for doability, not dopamine. Founders need to rewrite their hypotheses so that they focus on the problem, not the product. A product hypothesis traps you in features and solutions. A problem-focused hypothesis forces you to test whether the pain is real, frequent, and costly. When you anchor on the problem, every experiment becomes clearer, faster, and far more honest. Start your first structured cycle by shifting from guesswork to a repeatable rhythm. A cycle gives you clarity. Define the problem, run tests, gather signals, adjust. This is where StartupDNA becomes your execution system, the operating layer that turns scattered effort into predictable progress and compounding momentum. Find out more at startupdna.shop.